Today I'm going to show you how to install text preset in After Effects. So let's dive in. At first, open Finder. If you use Windows, then you can continue with File Manager. Today we are going to install this text preset into After Effects. Okay, open Document and then go Adobe After Effects 2025, User Preset, and then here we go. All the presets are here. Again, download, select the text and drag and drop to the document, Adobe, and then After Effects 2025 User Preset, and drag it here. So here we go, text flicker text preset. So let's check it in the Adobe After Effects 2025. Is it successfully installed or not? If we go animation preset and then user preset, and then here we go, text flicker is installed successfully. Now you can use this preset according to you. So let me show you. Create a new composition, text, okay, and then if we create a text, here we go, text animation, align it, and then if we drag and drop this text flicker preset to the text, here you go, smooth text flicker effect is successfully applied. So in this way you can install any preset into your After Effects. If you want this preset, check out in the description box.